Good morning. Myself, Dr. Mrunal Akre, Assistant Professor, Department of Dravya Global Institute of Ayurveda, Rajkot. We are now seeing our pharmacology series. In that series, our next group is anti-epileptic drugs. Now, before starting anti-epileptic drug, what is epilepsy? We have to see. So, we need to see about epilepsy and its detail. So epilepsy, these are the group of disorders of the CNS characterized by paroxysmal cerebral dysarrhythmia manifesting as brief episodes of seizures, of loss of disturbance of consciousness with or without characteristic body movements, that is convulsions, sensory or psychiatric phenomena. Epilepsy had a focal origin in the brain. Manifestation depends on the site of the focus region into the which discharge spreads and postacle depression of this region. Recognized from the dawn of history as a disease of lightning. It was correctly described by J.H. Jackson little over a century ago. Epilepsy have been classified variously in major types as generalized seizure, then partial seizure. First, what is generalized seizure? Generalized seizure are tonic-clonic seizure that commonest last for 1 to 2 minutes. Usually sequence is aura, then cry, then unconsciousness, then tonic spasm of body muscle. After that, clonic jerking followed by prolonged sleep and depression of CNS functions. Absence seizure. Minor epilepsy or petit mal epilepsy it is termed as. Prevalent in children lasts for 1 or half minute. Momentary loss of consciousness. Patient apparently freezes and shears in one direction, no muscular component or little bilateral jerking. In this, EEG shows characteristic 3 cycles per second spike and wave pattern. Atonic seizure. It is a kinetic epilepsy. Unconsciousness with relaxation of all muscles due to excessive inhibitory discharge. Patient may fall down. Myoclonic seizure. Shock-like momentary contraction of muscles of limbs or whole body. Then infantile spasm. It is hypercarithemia. Since in infant, probably not a form of epilepsy, intermittent muscle spasm and progressive mental disorientation or deterioration, diffuses changes in inter-seizure EEG are noted. Now the second type of epilepsy is partial seizure. They are classified as simple partial seizure, complex partial seizure and simple partial or complex partial seizure, secondary generalized. Now what is simple partial seizure? In this cortical focal, it is called as cortical focal epilepsy. It lasts for 1 to 2 minutes, often secondary. Convulsions are confined to a group of muscles or localized sensory disturbance, depending on the area of cortex involved in the seizure without loss of consciousness. Next, complex partial seizure. They are called as temporal lobe epilepsy or psychomotor epilepsy. Attack of desire and confused behavior and purposeless movements. Emotional changes lasting for 1 to 2 minutes along with impairment of consciousness. An aura often precedes the seizure. Focus is located in the temporal lobe. Simple partial or complex partial seizure. Secondarily generalized. The partial seizure occurs first and evolves in generalized tonic-clonic seizure with loss of consciousness. Most of the cases are primary or idiopathic epilepsy. Some may be secondary due to trauma or surgery of head, intracranial tumor, tuberculoma, cysticercosis, cerebral ischemia and other many more diseases. Treatment is symptomatic and same whether epilepsy is primary or secondary. Generally, experimental models are used in testing epilepsy drugs, have shed light on the etiopathogenesis of epilepsy. Maximal electroshock seizures are there. Then pentylyl tetrazole clonic seizures are there, chronic focal seizures are there, and kindled seizures are seen in epilepsy. Now the drugs used in epilepsy, they are classified in 10 groups: barbiturate, deoxybarbiturate, hydrotontin, immunostelibine, succinamide, allopathic carboxylic acid, benzodiazepines, phenyltrazine, cyclic GABA analogs, and some new drugs which are vigabatrin, then zonisamide, then levetiracetamide, then igabatrin, and tigabine, locosamide. Generally, oxylodinodine derivatives, that is trimethyladone, acetyluryl, and phenicamide, and carbonic anhydrase inhibitor, acetazolamide, and anticonvulsant no longer used due to their toxicity or relative effectivity. All these molecules, all these 10 groups, they are mostly have structural similarity. This despite, however, benzodiazepines and carbamazepine, valproic acids, and some newer drugs are chemically diverse. With presence of phenyl substitution confers activity against tonic and clonic seizure. Now we will see some drugs. Now first we will see phenobarbital. Phenobarbital was the first efficacious anti-epileptic introduced in 1912. The mechanism of CNS depressant action of barbiturate is described in previous lecture. The same may apply to anticonvulsant action. GABA A receptor mediated synaptic inhibition appears to the most important. Phenobarbital has specific anticonvulsant activity which is not entirely dependent on general CNS depressant. Quantitative difference in the facet of action is GABA facilitatory, mimetic, anti-glutamate, and CA channels entry reduction have been noted for phenobarbital compared to hypnotic barbiturates. The higher anticonvulsant hypnotic ratio of phenobarbital may be due to its minimal effect on calcium channels and glutamate release compared to hypnotic barbiturates. With continued use of phenobarbital, sedation warns of but not anticonvulsant action. It has a wide spectrum of anticonvulsant properties. Raise seizure threshold as well as limit spread and suppress kindled seizures. Phenobarbital has slow oral absorption and a long plasma half-life of 80 to 120 hours. It metabolized in liver as well as excreted unchanged by kidney. Steady state concentration are reached after 2 to 3 weeks and a single daily dose can be used for maintenance. Generally, phenobarbital is the cheapest and least toxic antiepileptic. It has broad spectrum efficacy in generalized clonic tonic seizures, simple partial seizures, and complex partial seizures. 60 mg for 1 to 2 times a day in adults, and in children 3 to 6 mg per kg per day. Carbamazepine, phenytoin, and or valproate are most commonly and popularly used today. In status epilepticus, phenobarbital may be injected IM or IV, but it is very slow. Response is very slow to develop. It is effective in absence of seizure. Its trade name, it is available in trade name of Gradienil 30 to 60 mg tablet, Luminal, then phenobarbital sodium, and many more. Next drug is Primidone. Primidone. It is a deoxybarbiturate converted by liver to phenobarbital and phenylethyl malenomide, that is PEMA. Activity is mainly due to this active metabolite because its plasma half-life of Primidone is 6 to 14 hours. that is less than its active metabolites. About one third of primidone is excreted unchanged by kidney. Dose to dose primidone is less potent, but anti-epileptic efficacy is similar to phenobarbital. It is infrequently used now in GTCS and partial epilepsies, mainly as an adjunct to phenytoin and or carbamazepine. Then it is available in trade name of Mysoline 250 milligram tablet. Dose of primidone is 250 to 500 milligram BD. In adults, in children it is given 10 to 20 milligram per kg per day. Now next is phenytoin. It is also, its chemical formula is diphenylhydrination. It was synthesized in 1908 as a barbiturate analog, but slaved due to poor sedative property. Its anticonvulsant activity was specifically tested in 1938, and since then it is a major anti-epileptic drug. Phenytoin is not a CNS depressant. Some sedation occurs at therapeutic doses, but this dose not increase further with dose. Rather, toxic dose produces excitement and muscular rigidity. The most outstanding action is abolition of tonic phase of maximal electroshock seizures with no effect on or prolongation of clonic phase. It limits spread of seizure activity threshold of phenytoin. Convulsant is not raised. Tonic-clonic epilepsy is suppressed by proximal focal EEG discharge and aura persistence. Mechanism of action. Phenytoin has a stabilizing influence on neuronal membrane, prevent repetitive detonation of normal brain cells during depolarization shift that occurs in epileptic patients and consists of a synchronous and unusually large depolarization over which action potential are supremazed. This is achieved by prolonging the inactivated state of voltage sensitive neuronal sodium channels that governs the refractory period of the neuron. As a result, high frequency discharge are inhibited with little effect on normal low frequency discharge, which allows sodium channels to recover even when inactivation is prolonged. This effect has been noted at therapeutic concentration of phenytoin, while other effects like reduction of calcium ions influx, inhibition of glutamate and facilitation of GABA response have been higher toxic concentration. Now its pharmacokinetics. Absorption of phenytoin by oral route is slow, mainly because of its poor aqueous solubility. Bioavailability of different market preparation may differ. It is widely distributed in body and is 80 to 90% bound to plasma receptors. Phenytoin is metabolized in liver by hydroxylation and glucuronide conjugation. The kinetic of metabolism is capacity limited. Changes from first order to zero order over the therapeutic range. Small increments in dose produce disproportionately high plasma concentration. The plasma half-life is 12 to 24 hours, progressively increase up to 60 hours. When plasma concentration rises about 10 μg per ml as metabolizing enzymes get saturated. Monitoring of plasma concentration is very helpful in tailoring doses. Only 5% unchanged phenytoin is excreted in urine. Adverse effect. These are numerous. Some occurs at therapeutic plasma concentration after prolonged use, while other are manifestation of toxic due to overdose. Generally, all therapeutic level, their adverse effects are seen as gum hypertrophy. Commonest 20% incidents are of gum hypertrophy, hirsutism, corrosing of facial features, acne, Then hypersensitivity reaction, rashes, DLE, lymphadenopathy, neutropenia, megaloblastic anemia. Phenytoin decreases folate absorption and increases its excretion. Osteomalacia, then hyperglycemia, and if it used during pregnancy, it can cause fetal Haydn-Toyn syndrome, that is hypoplastic phalanges, cleft palate, hair lip, and microcephaly. In high plasma level, it shows adverse effects like cerebral and vestibular manifestation, ataxia, vertigo, diplopia, nystagmus, drowsiness, behavior alteration, mental confusion, hallucination, disorientation, and rigidity, epigastric pain, nausea, and vomiting, minimized by taking drugs. Intravenous injection may cause edema, discoloration of injected limb, fall in BP. Interaction: phenobarbital completely inhibits phenytoin metabolism while by enzyme induced both enhances each other. Degradation and overall interaction. Carbamazepine and phenytoin increases each other metabolism. Valproate displaces protein bound phenytoin and decreases its metabolism. Chloramphenicol ionized cimetidine, discmarol, and warfarin inhibit phenytoin metabolism. Uses of phenytoin. Generally, phenytoin is a first line of anti-epileptic drug. Generalized tonic-clonic and simple and complex partial seizure. It is ineffective in absence of seizure. Its dose is 100 mg BD, maximum 400 mg per day. In children, it is used in 5 to 8 mg per kg per day. In status epilepticus, a slow IV is injected. Trigeminal neuralgia, it is the second choice to carbamazepine. Its market preparation are Dilantin, then Ipsolin, Ipton, and Phenytoin, ER, etc. Now the next drug is fosphenytoin. This water-soluble product of phenytoin has been introduced to overcome the difficulties in IV administration of phenytoin in status epilepticus. The body, it is rapidly converted to phenytoin. Its dose are expressed as phenytoin equivalents. IV injection, it is less damaging to intima. Few vascular complications are produced. It can be injected at faster rate, that is 150 mg per minute. And it is available as a tablet Fosolin 50 mg and 2 ml injectables. Our next drug is carbamazepine. Carbamazepine, it is chemically related to imipramine. It was introduced in 1960 for trigeminal neuralgia. It is now a first line of anti-epileptic drug. Its pharmacological action resembles phenytoin, but important difference have been noted in experimental studies. Carbamazepine modified maximal electric shock seizures as well as raises threshold of PTZ and electroshock convulsions. It also inhibits kindling. Though its action on sodium channels, prolongation of activated state is similar to phenytoin. The profile of action on neural system in brain is different. Carbamazepine exerts a lithium-like therapeutic effect in mania and bipolar mood disorders. It also has antidiuretic action, probably by enhancing ADH action on renal tubules. Now its pharmacokinetic oral absorption of carbamazepine is low. It is 75% bound to plasma protein and metabolized in liver by oxidation to an active metabolite that is called as epoxy carbamazepine, as well as by hydrolyzation and conjugation to inactive ones. It is a substrate as well as inducer of CYP3A4 and other drug metabolizing enzymes. Its adverse effects are generally neurotoxicity is seen. So due to neurotoxicity there is sedation, dizziness, vertigo, diplopia and ataxia. Vomiting, diarrhea, worsening of seizures are also seen in higher dose. Acute intoxication causes coma, convulsion and cardiovascular collapse. Hypersensitivity reactions are seen like rashes, photosensitivity, hepatitis, lupus-like syndrome. Rarely agranulocytosis can be seen and aplastic anemia. Its interaction is seen with generally carbamazepine is an enzyme inducer, can reduce efficacy of haloperidol, oral contraceptives, lamotrigine and topiramate. It is used in trigeminal and related neuralgias, then manic depressive illness and acute mania. Its dose is 200 to 400 milligram TDS and in children 15 to 30 milligram per kg per day. Tegretol, mannitol, then carbatol, mazitol. These are the formulations of carbamazepine. Now next drug is ethoximide. Ethosuximide, the most prominent action of ethosuximide is antagonism of PTZ induced clonic seizure at dose which produce no other remarkable action. It raises seizure threshold but does not modify maximal electroshock seizure or inhibit kindling. Clinically, it is effective only in absence of seizure. Its adverse effects are generally dose-related gastrointestinal intolerance, tiredness, mood changes, agitation, headache, drowsiness, and inability to concentrate. Hypersensitivity reaction like rashes, blood dyscrasia, and other more. Its uses are ethosuximide is used in absence of seizure at a dose of 20 to 30 milligram per kg per day. Xarantine 250 milligram is available in market. Next is valproic acid or sodium valproate. It is a branch chain alliptic carboxylic acid with a broad spectrum anticonvulsant action. It is more potent in blocking PTZ seizures than in modifying maximal electroshock. Establishment of chronic experimental seizure, foci and kindling are also prevented. Sodium valproate produces little sedation and other central effects. It is effective in partial seizure and GTCS as well as absence seizures. Valproate appears to act by multiple mechanisms. Phenytoin like frequency dependent prolongation of sodium channel inactivation, weak attenuation of calcium channels, and augmentation of release in inhibitory transmitters of GABA. Pharmacokinetics of sodium valproate are oral absorption of valproic acid is good. It is 90% bound to plasma protein and completely metabolized in liver by oxidation. And glucuronide conjugation excreted in urine. Plasma half-life of valproate is 10 to 15 hours, but anticonvulsant effects are long-lasting. Adverse effects are seen like anorexia, vomiting, heartburn, drowsiness, ataxia, tremor, alopecia, curling of hair, increased bleeding tendency, rashes, thrombocytopenia, hypersensitivity phenomena. Asymptomatic rise in serum transaminase are common. It is generally its dose is 200 milligram in adult for TDS. Maximum 800 milligram can be given in adult. In children, it is given at a dose of 15 to 30 milligram per kg per day. Valprine, Cronio, then Encroate are the trade name of sodium valproate. Valproic acid is used as a drug of choice for absence seizure. It is an alternative adjunct drug of GTCP, CS, CPS and CPS. Myoclonic and atonic seizures control in often incomplete, but valproate is the drug of choice mania and bipolar illness as alternative to lithium. Valproate has some prophylactic efficacy in migraine. Interaction: valproate increases plasma level of phenobarbital by inhibiting its metabolism. It displaces phenytoin from protein binding sites and decreases its metabolism. Valproate and carbamazepine induced each other's metabolism. Bivalproates. It is the coordination compound of valproic acid with sodium valproate. 1:1. Oral absorption is slower, but bioavailability is the same. Gastric intolerance may be better than sodium valproate. Its trade name are Diproix valens and Depakote are available in market. Clonazepam. Clonazepam, it is a benzodiazepine with prominent anticonvulsant property. It blocks PTZ seizures at dose which produce mild sedation. Generally, clonazepam it has been primarily employed in absence of seizure. It is also useful as an adjunct myoclonic and akinetic epilepsy. Its pharmacokinetics: oral absorption of clonazepam is good. 80% it is bound to plasma protein. It metabolized and excreted in urine. Plasma half-life is of average 24 hours. It does not produce any active metabolite. Its adverse effects are clonazepam causes sedation and dullness, and tolerance developed by chronic therapy. Lack of concentration, irritability, temper reduces. Clonazepam has been primarily employed in absence of seizure. It is also useful as an adjuvant in myoclonic and akinetic epilepsy. Its dose is 0.5 to 5 mg TDS in children, and in children 0.02 to 0.2 mg per kg per day. Lonazep, Clonavax, Rivotril are trade name of clonazepam. Generally, clonazepam has seen to induce some behavioral abnormalities also. The next drug is clobazam. It is a 1,5-benzodiazepine, diazepam and other are 1,4-benzodiazepines, introduced first as anxiolytic and later found to be possess useful anti-epileptic efficacy in partial, secondary, generalized tonic-clonic as well as absence, myoclonic and atonic seizure, including some refractory cases. Sedation and psychomotor retardation are less prominent, but side effect profile is similar to benzodiazepines. Oral bioavailability of clobazam is at around 90% and elimination plasma half-life is 18 hours. But an active metabolite is produced which has longer plasma half-life, more than 35 hours. It is generally used as adjuvant to other anti-epileptic drugs like phenytoin, carbamazepine, valproate and phenobarbital in refractory epilepsy. Generally, dose of clobazam is 10 to 20 mg at bedtime and can increase up to 60 mg per day. Lorazepam. Next drug is lorazepam. Lorazepam is 0.1 mg injected IV at a rate of not exceeding 2 mg per minute, and then diazepam in status epilepticus for emergency control. Lomatrizine, a new anticonvulsant, has having carbamazepine-like action profiles, modifies maximal electroshocks and decreases electrically evolved as well as photic after discharge duration. Prolongation of sodium ion channel inactivation and suppression of high frequency firing have been demonstrated. Its side effects are sleepiness, dizziness, diplopia, ataxia, vomiting, and nausea. Dose, it is given at a dose of 50 milligram per day, initially increase up to 300 milligram per day. It is not used in children. Next is gabapentin. This is a lipophilic GABA derivative that crosses to the brain and enhances GABA release but does not act on agonist at GABA receptor. It is given and started at a dose of 300 milligram OD and increased to 300 to 600 milligram TDS as required. Neurontin, gabapentin and gabapin are its trade name. Next drug is pregabalin. This is a cogner of gabapentin, has similar pharmacodynamic and pharmacokinetic properties and clinical indication in seizure disorder. Dose 75 to 150 milligram. Trade name are Pregaba, Neogaba and Trugaba. Topiramate. This is a weak carbonic anhydrase inhibitor, has broad spectrum anticonvulsant activity in maximal electroshock. Its dose is 25 mg OD and it can be increased up to 100 to 200 mg BD as required. And its trade name are Topex, Epitop, Topiramate, Nextop, etc. Zonisamide. It is an newer anticonvulsant with weak carbonic anhydrase inhibitory action. It modifies electroshock seizure and can be given to children also. It can be given to children. Its dose is 25 to 100 milligram. Zonicept tablet, Zonicare tablet are available in market. Then next is rivaroxaban, a unique anticonvulsant suppress Kindle seizures. Its dose is 0.5 mg BD and increase up to 1 gram BD. In children 4 to 15 years and above, it can be given 10 to 30 mg per kg per day. Livorex, Trovella tablet, Livatem tablet are available in market. So this was about anti-epileptic drugs. Now next time we will meet with another topic. Thank you.